Hello, I'm Tony. I'm the MD of Culligan Harvey. We are delighted to be at the Ideal Home Show in 2026. What's really great news, we are the sponsor of hydration across the whole venue. We have water filling stations around the whole venue where customers can enjoy free filtered water. So what's the main purpose of us being at the Ideal Home? It is about protecting the home. That is in water softening and water filtration. Most people live in hard water, and hard water really affects appliances, hair, skin and many other factors. We have a team of experts on the stand waiting to answer any questions and actually show you the difference between hard water, soft water, and allow you to taste great filtered water.